Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a video of my Zippo stuff for Swiss Army Zippo. First of all, this is just all the some of the empty boxes that my stuff came in. And then next I have 500 millionth Zippo. This was a $100 one. Comes with, this is the 104th, but it comes with a Zippo and a blank. And then next I sent some Zippos in for repairs, so I have, this isn't part of it, that's just an extra insert, but these are just, with every one they repair, they send you a free insert, so I have 8 of those. 2 collector's tins, but the actual Zippos that came in are in my display case. This is where I keep my wicks and flints. Oh, and then this I have my extra display case. And then, besides that, mini MPL works pretty good. Extra wicks, zip light batteries, black mat, emergency fire starter, Zippo fuel canister, Zippo Realtree hand warmer, bicycle playing, the Zippo and bicycle gift set. These are just boxes. And then here I have just some butane, some old Zippo fuel, lighter fuel canisters. This one is still filled. Some more. And then my actual Zippos I have in this display case. It's a key. And then here's my collage of Zippo ads. So I have a World Series 2006 Cardinals Zippo. I'm a fan of the Cardinals. This is a satin chrome Zippo that I spray painted. Came out okay. Jim Beam Zippo. Black Crackle. This is a Zippo Street Chrome. And then a Slim Street Chrome. Black Ice. Black Ice Replica. Here is the magnifier, 1968, in the original box, brand new. Hazardous, Zippo, United States Marine Corps, Zippo. Eat, Ride, Sleep, Marlboro Compass, that's a Marlboro too. Armor, Brushed Chrome, regular green mat, Realtree, Operation Iraqi Freedom, black mat with logo. This is one of the display, the tins, the D-Day one. Venetian Slim, another old Slim. This is just a brass one, got as a gift. Here's my zip light in an old brushed chrome Zippo. Zippo Blue 2, and then just the normal Zippo Blue. USS Memphis Zippo. Fishing Zippo. Camel, that's the one that came in a collector's tin. And then the gift set, that's the bicycle Zippo that came with the playing cards. Regular red mat. This is a high polished brass pipe lighter. 1937 brass replica with slashes. Another 1937 replica with slashes. Case 1937 replica with slashes. And then this is a custom old one. Just a brush chrome Smokin' Joe's Camel racing lighter. Marlboro Man. That's all my lighters. So I have like 40 in total. And thank you for watching. And check out Swiss Army Zippo's channel. Bye.